Hey, English language enthusiastic learners. So, how are you and what's up? I know I'm coming after a very long time, but I have something really interesting always in stuff for you. So, when somebody is telling you that when you're learning English, it should be like you are sleeping in English, you're eating in English, you're drinking in English, you're walking in English, you're talking in English, and like you should always be, dipped into English. So, I am really taking this terminology very seriously. Let's eat English today in these slides, okay? So there are 5 consecutive slides, one after the other. You will find these are all related to food items, okay? You will find the names of common food items that we hear in our very day-to-day life. But what exactly they are called in English, you will get the information over here, okay? We will talk about this when we are sharing information about the names of the Indian spices, some Indian snack items, some Indian, general fruits and vegetables, what we get. So, when we are talking about them, let's see how your taste buds react. Do you remember some lovely dishes and delicacies that your parents used to cook and that your family used to have with friends and all this? So let's get started. Okay, in this particular slide, Eat English, interesting slide with English names of common Indian food items. In this part 1 section, we are talking about the common Indian spices. Okay? The very common one is tulsi. We call it holy basil. Kali mirch, that is black pepper. Even we get white pepper also. Okay. Kala namak, that is black salt. We have badi ilaichi, that is black cardamom. Long, cloves. Kadi patta, that is called as curry leaves. Amchur, dry mango powder. Sabza or faluda seeds that we have, they are called as basil or sweet seeds. We have ajwain, okay, that is called as carom, temol or celery seeds. Tez patta, that is bay leaf. Hing, asafoetida, dalchini, cinnamon, elaichi, that is cardamom, that green small elaichi which comes, okay. Dhania, it is coriander. Basically, when we are talking about dhania powder, it is coriander powder. But when we are talking about the leaves of dhania, that is called as coriander leaves or parsley. Okay. Then zira is called as cumin seeds. Sauf is fennel. Okay. When we are talking about these names, please pay attention to the pronunciation, okay? And these I've picked some very common ones. If still you want to know some names in English which are not mentioned in the slides, do mention in the comment box. I will definitely share the information, okay? Do not forget to subscribe and like the channel. All the best.